How to clear cache on TikTok Lite. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to clear cache on TikTok Lite. So now, without further ado, let's get started. So here, first thing first, open the TikTok Lite app on your phone. And now here, once you're inside the app, just tap on the profile icon shown in the bottom right corner of the screen. Now here, once you're inside the profile section, just tap on the three dot icon shown in the top right corner of the screen. And now here, once you're inside the settings and privacy, what you can do is you can simply scroll down and there you'll see the option labeled as free up space. So simply tap on it. And now here, once you're inside this section, at the bottom you'll see the clear button. So simply select the cache option and after that you can just tap on clear button, and once you do that it will clear the cache for you. And that's it with this. If you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.